Hello children, good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home and keeping up good health. So do you remember me? Have you seen me in the last video teaching you computers? Yes, we have begun the computer class. In the last video we have seen some uses of computer and advantages of computers. So what is a computer? I told you. Yes, do you have TV at your home? Yes, you have TV, refrigerators at your home. How does it work, children? It works on electricity. You have to switch on and you have to give the power supply. It runs on electricity. Similarly, computer also works on electricity. Okay. Do you have smartphones at your home? Yes, you might be having. That is why you are able to attend the classes. You are seeing the classes in the YouTube. So I hope you know to operate well your smartphone in playing games, isn't it? So what are the uses of computer? We use computer to play games, listening to the music, watching movies. It is used in schools to maintain students' records. It is used in offices. It is used in shopping malls. Do you go to D-Mart? Yes, you might have gone. So it is used in D-Marts also. Have you seen? Yes, we use it in the offices, in the shopping malls, everywhere, at railway stations. Have you ever been to a railway station? Yes, computers are also used at railway stations for booking tickets. Okay, there are many uses of computer. We can draw pictures also in that. So, children, what are the main parts of a computer? I have told you. In the last class, I told you some parts of computer. What are they? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. What is this, children? Central Processing Unit. Okay, CPU means Central Processing Unit. Okay, let me show you the pictures in your textbook. Okay, where are the pictures here, children? Open your textbook and see page number 9. Okay, look at this page number 9. Look at this picture, children. This is called as monitor. Okay, it is looking like television. This looks like television. This is called monitor. And this is called as keyboard. What is this, children? This is keyboard. This is mouse. This is called as mouse. And this is CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. And do you have CPU is called the brain of the computer. Okay, CPU, computer is also having brain. What is that? CPU is brain of computer. Okay, children, today we are going to learn some more things about a computer. Okay, do you love to eat idlis? Yes. Do you like to eat idli? Does your mother prepares at home? Yes. Children would love to eat idli. How does your mother prepares idli, children? First, she takes some rava and some dal. She takes idli rava and she takes some dal. She pours water in a bowl. She adds rava and in another bowl she adds dal and she keeps it aside for some time. Okay, then what she will do again? After 4 to 5 hours she will what is she using, children? She is using idli rava and dal. She is soaking this for some hours, 4 to 5 hours. Okay, after this, what is she doing? What she will do after this, children? She will grind this dal. She will make a fine paste of this. Okay, she will make fine paste of this dal. How is she making this paste? She is using using mixer grinder here. Do you have this at home? Yes. How is she making this paste? Using a mixer grinder. Okay. Okay. What is the first step she is doing? Soaking dal and idli rava into different bowls, okay, into different containers. Then she is making fine paste of that dal. How is she making the paste, children? With the help of a grinder, okay. Then what after that, the next day she will prepare you the idlis, okay. I am not going to tell you the whole procedure here because we are not trying the recipe of idlis, children. So the next day she will make the idlis. So what is that we are learning here? Okay, this what we are giving as input. Okay, this dal and rava are called as input. Okay, this is called as input. This dal and rava are input. Okay, this dal is made into fine paste. Paste tayar chesaru kada. Okay, how did she do that? In the grinder. So the processor, this grinder is the processing unit. What is this? Processing unit. The process is going on in the mixer grinder. Then what are we getting finally? We are getting soft idlis, isn't it? Then the soft idlis, the next day the soft idlis we get, that is called as output. Okay, what we are giving to the machine is input. Where is the process going on? Inside the machine. What is the output what is the result we are getting? We are getting idlis. So what is the result we are getting? That is called output. So first we are giving input, then process is going on, then we are getting output. This is called as IPO cycle. This is called as IPO cycle. Okay, input, process, and then we will get output. I hope you are understanding, children. First we are giving input, then the process is going on in the grinder. Then what is the result we are getting? We will get soft idlis the next day, that is output. So this is what happening in the computer also. Okay, let us talk in terms of computer. Okay, so this is called as input, process, output, and this is called IPO cycle. Input, process, output, that is IPO cycle. Okay, then do you use smartphones? Do you play games every day? Okay, in the phone we have got calculator, isn't it? Do you calculate anything in that? Let us suppose if we type 2 plus 3, then we will get the answer in the phone. Though the same thing happens in the computer also. Okay, then if we are giving some instructions to the computer, okay, let us calculate something using a computer. Let us do addition in the computer. Okay, we can do calculations also in the computer. So what do we need first? We need keyboard to type keys. How can we type without keyboard? So keyboard, we use this in typing. So we are giving the input using this keyboard. Okay, we are giving input using the keyboard. What is the input? 2 plus 3. Where is the process going on? The process is going on here in the CPU. First step is we are giving input. What is the input? Addition of 2 and 3. Where is the process going on? The process is going on in the CPU. Where are we getting the result? Where we will get our answer, children? We will get our answer on the screen of monitor here. Okay, we will get the answer here. We will get the answer on monitor. So this is the output, children. Okay, we will get output on the monitor. So keyboard is the input device, CPU is the processing unit, and monitor is giving us the output. Okay, have you understood what is input, what is process, and what is output now? Okay, I gave you the example of idli, children. What was the input in the idli? Rava and dal. Idli, rava and dal we gave as input. Okay, what happened? Where did the process take place? The process took place in the grinder, isn't it? Then the next day we made soft idlis. That was the output. Here we are giving the instruction to the computer. Addition of 2 plus 3, we are giving input using the keyboard. So keyboard is input device. Where is the process going on? The process is going on in the CPU. So CPU is called as processing unit. Where are we getting our answer? We get answer on the monitor. So this is our output. So this is keyboard is input device. Process is going on in the CPU and monitor is the output device. So in this way we have learned what is input, what is process, and what is output. This whole process is called as IPO cycle. So this is called as IPO cycle, children. The things which we give to the machine, they are called as input. So children, we can see here, this is a keyboard. Keyboard is an input device because we type. Whatever we type, we are typing with the help of this keyboard. So this is an input device. We are giving input. The process goes on here. Okay, we have given the input. What is the input? Add 2 plus 3. So we have given input using keyboard. So this is CPU. The process goes on here. Then the answer appears here on the screen, that is it on the monitor. Okay, these all work together to give the output. So children, we have different types of computers. You can see in the textbook here, some examples are desktop computer. What is that? Desktop computer. Okay, desktop computer. What is it? It is a computer which is fixed on a desk or table. What does it mean? This computer is placed on a desk or a table. These computers are used in schools, offices and shops. Okay, the second type of computer is laptop. Do you know what is a laptop? Laptop is also the computer. Okay, it is also called as notebook computer. Okay, you can carry this laptop everywhere in your bag. Okay, you cannot carry this computer. Desktop computer you cannot carry, children, because you have to carry CPU, you have to carry keyboard, you have to carry mouse. Can you take this and go everywhere? No, we cannot. We can carry these laptops anywhere you want. So these laptop computers you can carry it at the place wherever you want. So these laptop computers are also called as notebook computers. Okay, so this is a smartphone. Okay, this smartphone is also equal to a computer. Okay, we can use internet in this and we can operate using these smartphones. This is also a type of computer, children. Smartphone is also a type of computer. Then this is the last one is tablet computer. What is this, children? Tablet computer. Okay, this is a touch screen personal computer. Okay, touch screen means if you touch that you can operate. Okay, you have to just touch and you can operate. No keys are there. Whereas on the keyboard you have to press the keys, but here you have to just touch the screen. Okay, then it is smaller than a laptop. Have you ever seen these tablet, children? You might have seen this. It is bigger than a smartphone and smaller than a laptop. Okay, we can use internet in this, download any apps in this, you can also play games, and same in the smartphone also, you can use internet, you can play games, you can download any apps in this. So these are the types of computers. What are they? Desktop computer, laptop computer, this is smartphone and tablet computer. So this is all about the input, process and output, students. We have seen the types of computers. After seeing this video, you have to go through the textbook. Once read this textbook. Okay. Okay students, thank you. I hope you have understood. Let us meet in the next video.